Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, December 3rd, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro Yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But also don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the Euro Yen, I still think that this is very likely going to end up making three waves down before it ends up going back up. Probably all part of a wave 4 of this 5 wave uptrend that we see on the monthly time frame. Taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, it definitely looks like the correction may be over. It looks like this is an A, it looks like this is a B, and it looks like it potentially might keep on going down for that wave C of wave 4. So let's take a look at it on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, it looks like a big impulsive move to the downside over here, which I think is the big wave A. Then I think this is an A, B, C of B, and it looks like we're already going down for the bigger move. Now, I think we are probably going to make a little bit of a pullback along the way. I'm sure a few decent pullbacks, but I think that primarily the daily time frame will continue to make lower lows and lower highs. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, the trend is definitely still down. This is all lower lows, lower highs. So until or unless it goes up and breaks structure on at least a 4 hour time frame, I would definitely still be looking for shorts on shorter time frames. Taking it all the way down to the 1 hour time frame. So if price goes up and breaks this right here, then we can say that that 4 hour time frame move is over for now. And most likely the move up would still be a correction to the move down, but it would end up being a much bigger correction. But don't assume that it needs to go up and break this structure, because it definitely does not have to. It could easily make three waves up, make a lower high, make an impulsive move down, and continue the downtrend. So as long as it continues to make lower lows, lower highs on like the 4 hour time frame and up, then I personally would be waiting for three-way pullbacks to go short every single chance I got on these sort of time frames, at least until we get a nice clear breaker structure to the upside. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. It's linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.